She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week.
What's up? How you doing? How you feeling? What's good? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Amira, and I'm back with another video. I'm sorry for the echo, but y'all, I'm gonna be doing a bun, like a small bun with like some fake hair added. So let's get with it. Before I get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification on for your girl. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all. So first, I'm gonna apply some water to this brush here. You feel me? Cause we gotta get this together. All right. You just wanna brush your hair up into a ponytail. I really kind of want my ponytail, my bun high, cause last time I did it was like right here, and no. Make sure you get the back, the kitchens, you can't forget. Y'all, I know I'm looking a hot mess, but yeah. Okay, so right now I am going to try to make my hair go as far to the front as I can. So this could look kind of high up when I do my bun, you feel me? So yeah. So I can see. Yeah. I got a lot of hair, a lot of freaking hair. And it's so thick, like, it's freaking hard to just get in a ponytail. Like, y'all, that's as high as it's gonna get. So, yeah. So right now I'm gonna just pull on the sides a little. Not too hard, you know. Yo, my arms really hurt. Oh my god. This is a workout. Alright. So see, this would be my natural bun. Y'all, I got a big head. But that would be my natural bun. It's my natural teeny bun. So I'm gonna take this rubber band right here, and I'm going to put it in a small bun, a small one, right? Something like this. Now y'all may say, oh my gosh, this may not be that bad. What's this? My head is too big to be putting a small bun in there. I did it last year. I'm over it. Somebody should have told me this was a big no-no. And now I'm going to take some synthetic hair that I had recently braided. I put some little gold beads on it. And what I did right here was I took a rubber band and I'll show you. I took the rubber band that comes with the pack of hair and I just went right through and pulled on each side. So now you got this. So now I'm going to put this on my bun, as so. And once I braid the hair, I like to twist it along. I don't know, I like that twisted look, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna twist here. I don't know, I'm just twisting either way as I'm going along, whichever way works best. So y'all see this piece, y'all probably wondering, oh my gosh, what's she gonna do? It's this edges, a little flyaways. They ain't flying no more. They gonna be stuck in your head. Redo the beads. Ooh. Well, simple, sis. Simple. Easy. Easy, quick hairstyle to leave out the house and chilling. Make a quick grocery market run. Who is telling you anything? Nobody. Saying. Now, y'all, I'm being real extra. Y'all don't gotta do this. But I got a gold piece of string from when I had got my braids. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the string, I'm gonna gently wrap it around, right? Boom. It is really stretchy, so a small piece goes a long way. And I'm basically wrapping it around the bun, as y'all can tell. You want to wrap it really tightly around your head so it won't come loose. Y'all, we good. So I'm going to just brush the back a little because we can't be having no flyaways in the back. They need to be secured in the hair. I have an edge little brush. Just gonna refresh the edge control. Now I'm gonna take my comb side, you feel me? And I'm gonna swoop, you feel me? We could do a little better, you feel me? Like right here, up here. And y'all, I have gotten asked to do a hair tutorial. But I'm like, no, I can't do hair. I really can't, but I'm doing this for y'all. I'm trying my hardest. I'm not good at this whole tutorial thing because this is my first one. And I'm gonna just try my hardest. Because once the edge is right, ain't nobody gonna tell you nothing. You is straight. So earlier I did a tutorial, right? And while my camera was all wrong or whatever, so I'm big mad. I'm like, okay, I'm never doing these hair tutorials again because this is my second time trying to do one. And I'm like, this isn't for me, obviously. Attempted to do it again for y'all. Just put a little water on the front, you feel me? And y'all, if y'all wondering why I got the same shirt on as my last video, because I recorded the same day. I feel like I can knock two birds out with one stone, and that's what I'm doing. So it's not too hard. Something very simple. Got everything from the hair store. The hair, the little rope thing, I don't know what it's called, and the beads. I haven't seen nobody put like the gold going around like a regular bun, but I said, let me be different, let me do something different. You know, you want to swag your bun up a little, you know, be different. Oh, I forgot to turn on the light. It's all dark. I'm telling you, these hair tutorials never turn out right. I try for y'all, I keep trying, it's just not right. This is the final product. Let me show y'all. Yes. Y'all see? So, I just want to thank y'all so much. And I want y'all to, y'all know, comment, subscribe, and get with it. So, I hope y'all like my first hair tutorial. It was something slight. More to come. And yeah. Comment if y'all want me to do more tutorials like this. And I'ma do one for y'all. Alright, bye y'all.